Health is wealth. In the small village of Shantigram, nestled amidst the rolling hills and lush green forests of India, lived a young boy named Raj. Raj was the only child of his parents and had always been a healthy and active child. He loved playing outdoors, climbing trees, and exploring the woods with his friends. Raj's parents were farmers who worked hard every day to provide for their family. They taught Raj the importance of hard work and the value of good health. They would often tell him, "Health is wealth, my son. If you have good health, you can achieve anything in life." Raj grew up with this motto ingrained in his mind, and he took it very seriously. He was always mindful of what he ate and made sure to get plenty of exercise every day. He would wake up early in the morning and go for a run around the village, followed by some yoga and meditation. As Raj grew older, he became more and more interested in the science of health and nutrition. He would spend hours reading books and articles on the subject, and even started experimenting with different diets and exercise routines to see what worked best for him. One day, as Raj was exploring the woods with his friends, he came across an old man sitting under a tree. The man looked frail and weak, and Raj could tell that he was not in good health. Raj approached the man and asked if he was okay. The man looked up at Raj and said, "My son, I am not well. I have been suffering from a chronic illness for many years, and I fear that my time is running out." Raj felt a pang of sadness in his heart as he looked at the old man. He realized that even though he had always taken his health for granted, not everyone was as lucky as him. He decided then and there that he wanted to do something to help people like the old man. Raj began studying medicine and became a doctor. He worked tirelessly to help people in his village, and soon became known as the Doctor of Shantigram. He would travel to neighboring villages and provide medical assistance to people who could not afford it. Years went by, and Raj became an old man himself. He had lived a long and healthy life, and had helped countless people along the way. One day, as he was sitting under a tree in the woods, he saw a young boy running towards him. The boy stopped in front of Raj and said, "Doctor, I want to be healthy like you when I grow up. What is your secret?" Raj smiled at the boy and said, "My son, the secret to good health is simple: eat well, exercise regularly, and take care of your mind and body. Remember, health is wealth, and if you have good health, you can achieve anything in life."